Welcome to Tech Guy channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find, lock, or erase Android phone using Find My Phone from Google. We have all occasionally lost track of a phone. Maybe it was hiding in the couch cushions or sitting on the kitchen counter. Don't go crazy looking for your phone next time, just use Google's Find My Phone tool. You can access this via the web on a mobile device or computer. Simply log into your Google account, and choose your missing phone from the drop-down menu. Google reaches out and shows you where it is. You can also ring the phone even if it's in silent mode. If worse comes to worst, you can remotely erase the phone to protect your data. To find, lock, or erase an Android phone, that phone must be turned on, signed into a Google account, connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi, visible on Google Play, location turned on, have Find My device turned on. This is the phone we're going to work for. It is an Oppo A9 2020 model. You can see here that Wi-Fi is turned on and is connected to internet. It is running on silent mode and location services is also turned on. Here's the way to remotely find, lock, or erase. Go to your browser and type Find My Phone. Then select Find My Phone Google account. I'm already logged in, so it shows directly all Android phone associated to this account. If you're not logged in, Google will ask you to log in with your Google account. Note, if your lost phone has more than one user profile, sign in with a Google account that's on the main profile. When logged in, select the phone you're going to find. Now it will ask again for the password. Just enter the correct password to continue. Here in the screen, you can see the last time the device was last synchronized. This ring option rings your phone at full volume for 5 minutes, even if it's set to silent or vibrate. Now the phone is ringing just after pressing the ring option. I'll just tap here to stop it. In the locate option, it will direct you to another window with Google Map and shows you the location of the phone. The location is approximate and might not be accurate. For the lost Android phone, you have additional options here. In the lock your phone or device option, it allows a phone number that can be called from the locked device, and also unlock the device with a PIN. In sign out on your phone option, it will sign out your Google account on your lost phone so that no one else can access it. You'll still be able to ring, locate, lock, and erase your phone. In contact your operator option, your operator may be able to help by disabling your SIM card, ordering a new SIM card, or redirecting your calls to a new number. This may also help protect you from identity theft, since a finder could use text messages to access your information, send messages on your behalf, or make expensive calls. In the Consider Erasing Your Device option, lets you remotely delete all the information on the device or memory card. Erasing your device prevents others from seeing your content. If you choose to erase, Google may not be able to completely erase all memory cards on your device. Find Your Phone and Android Device Manager can no longer locate, ring, or lock your phone. You'll permanently lose access to all info on your device that wasn't recently backed up to Google. Note, your phone will be erased the next time it's online. If it doesn't come online again, it won't be erased. This covers using Google Find My Phone tool to find, lock, or erase an Android phone. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.